Hey friends, I'm Amy Freena, and if you've ever been stuck with a flat tire or a dead battery, you've probably wondered, does my insurance cover towing and roadside assistance? Good news, many auto insurance providers offer roadside assistance, but it's not always included by default. Now that means unless you added it to your policy or purchased it separately, you might not be covered. Roadside assistance usually helps with towing your car to a nearby repair shop, jump-starting a dead battery, changing a flat tire, delivering fuel if you run out, and opening your car if you are locked out. Some policies offer it as a low-cost add-on, while others include it as a part of a larger bundle or membership program. It's super handy and it can be a real lifesaver when you're stranded. Now, just keep in mind, look for a policy that offers unlimited towing and help, so it's there when you need it. If you want the peace of mind that comes with a helping hand on the road, give your insurer a call and see if roadside coverage is already included, or ask about how to add it. Safe travels.